Well, here's another minute with Bromark Farms. Cindy spent about 3 hours cleaning this jalousie window up. We pulled it out. This is the first window that we pulled out. She worked hard, cleaned it up, screened it up. Looks good. Miss Cindy's, she works hard at this. I helped a little, not much though. Only rubbed just a little bit. But Cindy was the chief one in charge here, and don't want to break that. So this is the first jalousie window out of the 1968 holiday Rambler, and looks clean, looks good. Of course, we're still working on it. And is there anything you want to say about it, Cindy?
No, it was. The only thing we need to replace on this one is the little rubber strip that goes across the top.
It's a rubber strip that goes across the top. This right here. It's all hard. Needs to be replaced. Yeah.
And then we had to buy that, what'd you call it? The tape.
Butyl tape.
Butyl.
Yeah.
Then we're going to have to buy 2x4 and try and cut it down to make the frame to go around it again.
Yeah,
but this was the first and the easiest one, I reckon.
Yeah, we've got to swap out 2 windows, change out 2 windows, a little larger one, and this one.
And then
because it's pretty well tore up, and then the others we'll just clean up and put back in.
Well, we've got to do that. Take that thing out on the bottom on all
this little crank right here, this piece right here, it connects over here to the end right here. This is out of a 69 holiday Rambler, and they're made out of metal. The ones in the 68 that we're doing are made out of plastic, and they've become brittle and broke. So we're going to have to change them out. So this one here is in pretty good shape. We didn't have to do a whole lot of mechanical stuff to it, but we'll clean it up and what have you. But that's what we got to do with the other windows that's in the 68. But we're pressing on just to let you know what's going on with the holiday Rambler there. And I'll put this on the playlist right here. So we've started on the windows, and we started working on the. It's raining right now, so it's over there. We're working on it. We've got it set up to where we can separate the box. Hopefully, Cindy's fixing to go on a cruise here. Hopefully by that weekend I'll have that box separated by the time she gets back, so we can work on the floor. All right, that's my plan. Okay, I'll see you on the next video, and we'll continue with doing this. And Cindy says goodbye. And
bye.
We'll see you in the next video.
Give us a thumbs up.
Do what?
Give us a thumbs up.
Okay, give us a thumbs up, she says, and like us. And listen, I'm looking for that 100th subscriber. When you do subscribe, if you are the 100th subscriber, go ahead and email me at bromarkfarms at gmail.com and let me know. Just say, I subscribed. And then I'll get back with you and get your address and send you a gift for being the 100th subscriber, okay? Thank you so much. This will be the 8th day of June, and it's going to be a long, hot summer. I think they made a movie like that, didn't they? Mm-hmm. It's starring Cindy and I. Okay, this is Brother. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.